creating an event in Google Calendar, there may be times where you wish to attach a document to the meeting for other meeting participants to access. If you would like to add an attachment to an event, please follow these steps. While in Google Calendar, if you're creating a new event, select Create, and then Event. After you add a title, schedule the date and time, and add participants for your meeting, select the Add Description or Attachments area. Then select Add Attachment and choose Google Drive. If you're editing an event that already exists, you can get to the same attachment area by selecting the paperclip icon. And then from here, you can select Google Drive. After Google Drive is clicked, regardless if you're creating or editing an event, you can choose a file from your drive to attach to the meeting. Alternatively, you can upload a file from your computer by selecting the Upload button. When you upload a file from your computer, it's uploading the document to your Google Drive account and then to your event. After selecting Upload, choose Browse, and then select a file from your device to upload. Once your file is chosen, you will see it above the description of the event. When you're ready, you can save the event. But if for some reason the file in your Drive account wasn't shared with anyone invited to your meeting, you will be notified. If that is the case, you can choose if you would like to share the file with the people without access. If you want to give them access, you can choose whether to give them viewing, commenting, or editing access. Once you choose what access to give them, you can select Save Event. Thank you for watching. For more content, please subscribe to our channel.